How to prove you never cheated. 11 effective tips. When faced with accusations of infidelity, even if you're completely innocent, the emotional turmoil can feel overwhelming. Convincing your partner of your loyalty becomes challenging when emotions run high and trust is shaken. Yet, proving you didn't cheat isn't just about evidence. It's about addressing the root causes of insecurity, building communication, and working together to restore faith in your relationship. If your partner has arrived at the conclusion that you've been unfaithful, they are grappling with deep-seated fears and emotions. They may interpret your actions, or even your reassurances, through a lens clouded by mistrust. This guide will walk you through actionable steps to help mend the divide and build a stronger, more transparent relationship. 1. Stay calm and avoid defensiveness. When accused of cheating, your first instinct might be to get defensive or even angry. But defensiveness often comes across as guilt. Instead, take a deep breath, stay calm, and focus on understanding your partner's concerns. Show them that you're open to dialogue, not confrontation. Calmness demonstrates confidence in your innocence and reflects a willingness to listen. Offer empathy and reassurance, emphasizing your commitment to the relationship. 2. Acknowledge their feelings without judgment. Even if you find their accusations completely unfounded, it's important to validate their emotions. Saying something like, "I understand why you feel this way," can go a long way. This doesn't mean you're admitting fault. Instead, you're showing that their emotions matter to you, which can help de-escalate the situation. Dismissing their feelings outright might make them feel unheard and push them further into their doubts. 3. Don't ignore the problem. Ignoring accusations won't make them go away. In fact, avoidance can fuel your partner's suspicions. They may interpret your silence as guilt or a lack of concern for their feelings. Even if the accusations seem ridiculous to you, treat the issue seriously. Sit down with your partner, acknowledge their concerns, and discuss the matter openly. Silence creates distance, but communication fosters understanding. 4. Understand the timeline of their feelings. When did your partner start feeling this way? Identifying the timeline can help you uncover potential triggers. Did you start working late? Did you become less communicative or affectionate? If there's a specific event or change in behavior that caused their doubts, address it directly. This understanding can guide you in taking steps to rebuild their trust and security. 5. Avoid heated arguments. Arguments often escalate the problem, making it harder to find a resolution. If tensions rise, step back and suggest revisiting the conversation later. For example, say, "I want to talk about this when we're both calm so we can really understand each other." This approach not only prevents unnecessary conflict, but also shows that you value constructive communication. 6. Choose the right time for discussions. Emotions can cloud judgment and communication. When either of you is too emotional to have a rational conversation, suggest taking a break to cool down. Coming back to the issue with a clearer head allows both of you to articulate your thoughts without the risk of saying something hurtful in the heat of the moment. 7. Avoid giving ultimatums. Ultimatums like, "Believe me," or "We're done," might feel like a quick solution, but they often backfire. They force your partner into a corner, creating additional pressure rather than resolving the issue. Instead of ultimatums, focus on reassurance. Demonstrate your commitment to the relationship by taking steps to address their concerns. 8. Make actionable changes to reassure them. Words alone might not convince your partner of your loyalty. Action speaks louder. Commit to small, consistent actions that show your devotion, such as spending more quality time together, being transparent about your activities, or initiating regular check-ins. These gestures not only rebuild trust, but also demonstrate that you're willing to invest in the relationship to make your partner feel secure. 9. Approach the issue as a team. Instead of framing the situation as me versus you, position it as a shared challenge that you both need to overcome. This approach shifts the focus from blame to collaboration. Acknowledge your role, even if it's just recognizing that your actions unintentionally contributed to their insecurity. Encourage your partner to address their fears and insecurities, too. Working together strengthens your bond and reinforces mutual commitment. 10. Consider couples counseling. Sometimes, the emotional weight of accusations is too heavy to handle alone. Seeking professional help can provide a neutral space for honest conversations. Couples counseling isn't just for relationships on the brink of collapse. It's a proactive step toward deeper understanding and improved communication. Suggesting therapy shows your willingness to invest in the relationship and demonstrates that you're taking their concerns seriously. 11. Prioritize your own happiness. While it's crucial to address your partner's feelings, you must also consider your own well-being. A healthy relationship is a two-way street, built on mutual trust, respect, and support. If their insecurities and accusations persist despite your best efforts, it's worth evaluating whether the relationship is truly fulfilling for both of you. Staying in a relationship where you're constantly walking on eggshells is neither fair nor sustainable. Final thoughts. Accusations of cheating can shake the foundation of even the strongest relationships. But with patience, understanding, and mutual effort, it's possible to rebuild trust and come out stronger. By staying calm, listening to your partner, and addressing their insecurities through actionable changes, you can prove your innocence and demonstrate your commitment to the relationship. Remember, love is built on trust, and trust can only thrive in an environment of open communication and mutual respect. If challenges persist, seeking professional guidance can provide clarity and tools to navigate the storm together. Ultimately, relationships thrive when both partners feel heard, valued, and supported. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.